Okay, I've got a little addendum to the chapter one lecture. It's not really much about lecture one. In chapter one, it's just updating some of the data that I presented at the time that I recorded the chapter one class. It was, I believe it was August of 2023. And if you recall, I was taking some measurements of the sun angle, and I have since uh, I, I'm going to say completed, at least completed one cycle of of the uh, that experiment, and here are the results. So it was in about August um, of 2023 that I first started uh, taking the data, and now this is at the time it was I was just measuring the the distance, the shadow distance from the uh, uh, from the base of the mailbox. But I have since uh, using trigonometry, using how high the top of the mailbox was and how far the meter stick was. I've turned it into uh, to angles uh, using arctangent uh, function on Excel. And you can see that it does, as I mentioned in the lecture, that it would probably make a sine wave eventually, and it does. There's there's a um, just error in data taking on my part. The sun doesn't suddenly move, but as a scientist, you don't delete data to make your data look good. You just admit that you probably made an error on that particular day. But this is what the sun angle looks like. So uh, during the summer solstice, you can see it over here. It's 84 degrees, and that's the sun is almost directly overhead um, during the summer months. Not quite at 90, which would be directly overhead. It's at 84 degrees. Um, and so it goes from 84 degrees around the equinox. It's about 60 degrees. At the winter solstice, it's at 38 degrees. And you can see from this little graphic here how much 38 degrees, what kind of an angle it is. It's so, it's much lower towards the horizon compared to the 84 from the summer solstice. The winter solstice is quite an angle. You can see if you observe the trees um, around noontime, you'll see that their shadow is very, very, very long and pointing towards the north. And then we go back through the equinox, um, uh, or sometime in March, and then we have the summer solstice again, and it just repeats. So there's this cycle. The sun angle um, during the summer, it's almost directly overhead, and in the um, winter, the winter solstice, the uh, the sun is at its lowest angle, about 38 degrees to the south. So I just wanted to update you on this experiment that I've been running on the sun angle, and just wanted to share that with you. The lecture that I recorded was in 2023, and here it is, 2025. Just wanted to update you on the results I've got. That's all. Thank you.